Hey guys, welcome to Stability Before Strength. My name is Oscar and I'll be your guide through this 13-week training plan. This is week 3, day 1, and this workout burns between 935 to 1,188 calories. We are going to start with the warm-up routine. Here's the list of all the warm-up drills. You can click on the link to start the warm-up and then come back for part 2. We are going to continue to run at an easy, comfortable pace for 30 to 60 minutes or 4 to 8 miles to continue to increase our aerobic base and also to help increase our weekly mileage. If you're not certain of what pace you should be running for an easy run, then I highly recommend clicking on the link to figure out all your training paces and intensities, which really come in handy in phase 2 and beyond. We all run and train at different intensities, so it's important to know what pace you should be running at during your easy runs, lactate threshold, interval, marathon pace, and repetition runs. These training intensities will be specific to you because they are based on your last race performance. These training guidelines will give you an edge in your training since you will have a specific pace during each running workout. As soon as you're done with today's running workout, go into part 3 and do the exercise routine for today. Part 3 of the training program is a workout routine of specific running exercises to build endurance and stability, which will help you decrease the chance of injury and help you run faster. Here's the list of all the exercises for today's leg and core routine. You can click on the link and it will take you straight into today's workout routine, then come back for part 4. This workout burns between 124 to 248 calories if you decide to do 2 sets of each exercise. It should take about 20 to 40 minutes to complete. As soon as you're done with part 3, go straight into a cool down routine. Here's the list of all the stretches that are included in this routine. You can click on the link to guide you through all the stretches. That's it for today. Remember that this is phase 1 and that each phase lasts 3 weeks for a total of 13 weeks before the half marathon. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informative. See you guys later.